Go to the place. Step aside. I don't like what you're doing.
Calm down, calm down. It's not what you're thinking. Eh?
Why are you going this early in the morning?
You should have checked the time before asking me that question. It's past 9 a.m.
But are we still fighting? I thought we were done. Grace.
I'm sorry, madam. I didn't mean to. Grace!
Hey, Nelson Kodia, is this really you?
Yes, indeed, it's me. How are you? How many years has it been?
I've lost count. You left without a word.
Well, I'm sorry about all that. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry about all that. It was rather childish of me to behave that way. I'm very sorry. Anyway, what are you getting?
I'm getting some groceries for my house.
Well, I think I've got some 30 minutes to spare. Let me join you.
Hey, Mr. Gentleman, you will never change.
When did you get back from the market?
Not too long, my dear. I got you something beautiful.
Something nice.
Wait, let me go get it.
Oh, my boss. I'll call you my boss. Because you have the key to life.
You know, coming back home was very difficult. You hear the system doesn't work. Back in UK, things are different.
You are right. Yes. But you sound like any other returnee. Just give yourself like 4 weeks and everything will change.
Anyway, so how is your wife? I should find time to come and see her.
She's doing good. She's all right. But hey, talking about wife, when are you settling down?
Women are like fowls. When you have the corn, they'll run to you. When you don't have it, no matter what, they would always go back.
What do you mean?
It means I have made enough money to have as many as I want. When I'm tired, I settle down. Speaking of which, I bumped into an old cargo early today.
Reconnection.
You won't go anywhere. You are going to my house today. You always want us to hide in strange places.
It's not that I don't want to go to your house, but I want a place we can have our privacy.
There's no one at home.
No problem. But let's make it another time. Listen, I'm all yours, baby. Okay? I'm all yours. Don't worry. You know I love you. You are all mine. I'm all yours, darling. Don't worry. Okay? I love you. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were a virgin. Listen, everything will be alright, eh?
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
Grace, I'm sorry.
Don't you touch me.
Listen, you know I love you. I'm sorry. Please. I love you. And I'm not going to leave you. Okay? My dear. Come. It's okay. Everything will be fine. I'll be with you my whole life. Okay? Come, please. Sorry. Come. Sorry.
Hello, Nelson. It's me, Grace. Just calling to confirm the number. Tonight? No, I don't think it's possible. But I'll try. I'm not making any promises. Okay. You too. For a friend's birthday party.
I thought you hated parties.
Yes, I do. But I won't stay for long. I'm feeling tired already.
Okay, then I will drive you down. Take care of yourself, okay?
You're so funny.
Seeing you again has brought back so many memories. We have an interesting past together.
Can say that again.
You know, traveling around the world gave me a good understanding of who I am and what I want.
And what is that?
I need a woman by my side. One to make me whole again. To make me complete.
Really? Love. I believe in magic. I believe in mom and dad. And I believe in you. Oh, I believe in love. I believe in... Hello, good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
How was the night?
I'm fine. Is Daddy buying a new?
Why do you ask that?
Oh, nothing. I'm just not too sure everything is okay.
And never mind, I prepared your favorite. Just sit down, eat, enjoy. I believe in babies. I believe in mom and dad. And I believe in you. I believe in love. I believe in magic.
Mimi.
Is mommy okay?
See, it beats my mind. I just can't think too far.
Hold on. You can't think back.
I just can't think far.
Who taught her how to ponto? Give some of that bread.
I won't give you some is here. Fine, take.
Mama She! Looking good as usual.
Thank you. Oh, but you're looking so good this morning.
And you too.
Thank you. Everything ship.
All day, we day, my sister. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
How do I offer you?
My dear, you don't have champagne or some chateau wine. Oh no, who pays one for Biamba? Has Grace told you anything about a new man, like a fresh man in her life? Oh. What are you talking about? Last night at the restaurant, she was having a very close dinner with some hot dude. And the chemistry. But the only man I know is Pedro, the Zumba instructor. My dear, you need to see this. Hey! But is she having problems with Kofi Simpson again? I have no idea. I have the feeling she's not over that baby father saga. So, did you approach her or something? Wanted to, but it's between the two of them. I decided to leave it. Probably she herself will tell us something. Gracie. Drink something. Forget Grace. About drink, okay? Hey. Maybe some water, mineralize, something like that.
Oh no. Water classy.
Yes. Not pure water.
Listen, you're a very, very, very bad man. I wouldn't call you a man, I would call you a boy. Because you refuse to be a man.
You know, last night was on point. We had a wicked date night. She even wanted to follow me to the hotel, but I refused.
Why? I mean, why would you do that? You listen, when you were in Britain, that is in Latin. You remember you wouldn't let anything go. You would give it that passion.
Yeah. You know, she's a married woman. You know, so looking at the time, you know, I just had to let her go. Yeah.
Let her go. So when are you meeting this woman again?
It's on again tonight.
A bad boy.
And this time, what can come, can come.
I eat the powers. I eat the powers. You know what? I will be the referee.
I know what you mean.
Under the pillow or the bed and see everything
I
that
know
happens.
exactly what you mean.
Nelson.
No problem.
Nelson, let me come and be under the bed.
No worries, no problem.
Hey! Nonsense.
Oh, my
The
brother.
whole Nana.
My brother, life is short. Enjoy it.
Mama, she.
Oh,
Mama, she, baby.
Look at you.
Mama, she.
Come here. You look particularly excited today. Oh, what's the secret? Tell me. Come on.
Oh, nothing really. I just want to make myself happy. That's all.
Is it not about your new cat?
New catch? Who?
Come on. I saw you last night at the terrace of the restaurant with a very handsome man.
Oh, don't mind that man.
Hey.
He's just an old friend who invited me out on a date. I'm just bored, you know.
Are you sure? Because you were particularly engrossed in whatever he was telling you.
Don't confuse a smile for a show of interest.
My dear, tell me, oh, you know me. You can talk to me. If you say so. Baby, I smell something fishy. Hey, great.
Look, Mama, do you know what I want? A total makeover. Charlie, do something. I have to look young, you know.
Definitely after here, you lead the way. Let's finish with this. We'll just
I know you.
But are you sure it's not about him?
We
We got something here for you. Something sexy, you know, nice, colorful.
I know. I trust you.
I like it.
Oh, that's Sarah. Okay, so let's get serious. What time are you coming? Can I call you back? Let me call you back. Hey, Ma. Why are you going all dressed up like this?
I'm meeting a friend for an NGO meeting. They are planning to make me the vice president.
Oh, that's great news. I'm happy you're doing something for the society.
Oh, thank you, dear. I've prepared dinner. Please serve your daddy for me, okay?
Okay, that shouldn't be a problem.
See you.
Well, you're looking nice, oh.
Thank you, baby.
How did it go?
Oh, all is well, darling. Just go back to sleep. Who is he? Hey, babe. Why are you people reading meanings into things? It was just one date.
Are you sure? Because the picture I saw sparks, you
Hey,
know.
are you a picture and video analyst now? Nothing is on my type. I was just bored. That's why I agreed to go out with him that night. I get dates every day. I just refuse them.
Yet you went with Nelson. Yo, Matiwai, Ghana's most beautiful woman. Elbow, I bet it.
Hey, I've been born with him, sir.
I am a metal, Baba.
Forget.
Oh, me feel too much. Oh, you know, unless you tell me.
I managed to seal it yesterday.
Yeah. So, what happened to your old consignment?
Which one? The Chinese?
The old cargo you talked to me about.
My brother. No size. No size.
Really?
She came to my hotel room yesterday. And I doubt she will ever go back to her husband.
Really? Are you sure?
It was just too much. I have a picture on my phone.
You know how boys, we can talk. There's a saying, seeing is believing. Let me see so I can believe you. If not, I wouldn't believe it.
It was just too much.
Let me just... What? Grace? Is she the one you're talking about?
Nelson, what are you doing here?
Oh, so it's true. You're having an affair with him. Wait for me. Just wait for me.
What is he talking about? Nelson, what are you doing in my house? Eh? Yes. You see what you've got?
Grace, step aside. I don't like what you're doing.
Calm down, calm down. It's not what you're thinking. Eh? He's an old friend I bumped into a few days ago. Tell him the truth. Tell him the truth.
You said you slept with him and that you enjoyed it so much.
I what?
You slept with him.
Nelson, did you even see my niece? Talk less of having me in your bed. Answer me. Answer me. Go get something decent to wear.
Come on, don't you miss me?
I miss you so much. And that's all. You are fun. I'm not moved by this. Apart from my husband, no other man matters.
Then why are you here?
Oh, I enjoy your long talks. And that's all. But that doesn't mean I'm interested in you or something. I can see you are still not grown up. If this is what you are thinking about, then I'm going. In fact, I'm off. Excuse me.
So why do you have to lie to me? Why did you do that?
Look here. The fact that a woman laughs at your jokes and enjoys your company doesn't mean she's interested in you romantically. Have you heard? And you, Simpson, you should have trusted me a little.
Dragon man.
VVIP. And I do.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. feeling?
How you feeling?
Is it sexual healing?
Sexual healing.
Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Colo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make I bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire.